Hi, my name is Diego Fernando Sanchez Corrales. I am 29 years. I am from the municipality of the Turbo Antioquia. I am logistic management training of the National Sena Apprentice Service. I am single and living with my mother saying I am the only child of her week I am hatch church and I'm the only family that I am had me personally because because I am introverted in I am hardworking person and live to pray cheese and I enjoy physical exercise very day for my heart my physical side. I am living in the city of the Cartagena. Thank you very much.